Guess who made their own sidecar? Me. Yes. Okay. Because this is what was needed. Okay. Yeah. It's that. It's that. Hey y'all, it's Queen Meek and I'm back. Duh. So, if y'all know me, I'm a Hennessy girl. And I also, like, when I go out, I like to drink sidecars. And I only get the best sidecars from Urban Social. But when you go there, when we go there out here in Houston, you get 2 drinks max. It's supposed to be 2 drinks max. But that second drink always hit, and I'm always feeling nice and toasty afterwards. And it's a good price. And I feel like the bartenders them love us there. And any other place outside of that I go to, I just feel like I'm alcoholic, because I'm like, why do I need way more drinks than this? Like, I'm not feeling anything. Like, you know what I mean? So I'm like, let me try to make me a drink myself and see how it go. So first, what I need, what I have is so I'll try to look to do the instructions and all that stuff too. You need some Hennessy. You need some type of liqueur. I got orange liqueur. People usually get, was it Grand Marnier? I did not get that. This was like $18, so yes. I got pineapple juice. I didn't need it, but I'm probably gonna do like a little splash of it or whatever. I got a lemon. I got my glass. I need something else. It's still ice that's been in here, so hopefully you don't taste that, but yeah. You need ice. All right, ice. We got the kind of like the juicer, whatever it is, lemon squeezer, whatever. Oh my god, I just had to get this shaker from the liquor store as well. So what we gotta do first is cut the lemon up. I'll put some ice. Put a little bit of ice. Get the lemon. That much. I'm gonna do this. I might become a bartender, child. Okay, period. This is a small cocktail shaker. I need this bigger, child. Cause what? Okay. Then what we need is, I forgot the measurements, so we're gonna do little shot glasses. I'm pretty sure that's what they use also. That's what the measurements is, shot glass. And this is Liqueur de Orange. Newit's St. George's fragrance. This is how it looks. Okay. And we're going to take that. I don't know how much it's supposed to be. I said this is a small cup, child. Oh, shoot. I'm so clumsy. The Hennessy. Bless the bottle. Bless it. Okay. Good job. Then we're going to do our Hennessy. Okay. Then I think you're supposed to put some ice in here too, right? A little bit, right? A little bit. Then we're going to do the top. Oh, that was more Hennessy I needed. How could I forget that, too? Then we're going to take this. Hopefully it don't spill or nothing, you know. That's not on there right. My mouth is watering and I'm excited about this. I'm really excited about this because what? And they did something with the, I don't even want to put that in there. That's just crazy. Okay. I don't like this like that. I should have tried this out before I got on camera, but it's fine. And that's usually how it look, child. That's usually how, ooh, that is usually how they look. I don't know why the pineapple juice, but we're gonna do the pineapple juice. Okay. Wait a minute. That's liquor. Oh, this is how they be tasting at Urban Social. This is strong, but I did it. So here on out, I'm just gonna be, ooh, I am proud of myself. I'm not even a mixed drink type of girl, like to just be making it at home. I always buy it when I'm out, but okay, Meek. I am taking side gigs if y'all need me to bartend, like y'all family functions and stuff. I got my mic that comes with me. I can turn up, I can host some things. Just let me know, inbox me.